Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word RSVP in depth. First, the definition. RSVP means a request for a response to an invitation, confirming attendance or absence. Think of it simply as a polite way to ask someone to let you know if they're coming. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. RSVP traces back to the French phrase "Répondez s'il vous plaît," meaning please respond. Over time, it's been used by event hosts and invitations in many cultures. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use RSVP in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Please RSVP by Friday so we can prepare enough food for the party. Correct example 2. Don't forget to RSVP to the wedding invite before next week. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to RSVP my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using RSVP correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. RSVP means a request for a response to an invitation, confirming attendance or absence. It comes from the French phrase "Répondez s'il vous plaît," and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with RSVP down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.